Pergola project in progress. This is how we do it at Mulholland Brand. Everything's coming out nicely. These lifts are very, very useful and handy, as you can see. Otherwise, everything has to be lifted by hand without the inserts in place, and then we have to come back and drop the inserts afterwards. But in this case, we put all the inserts in since we have the extra energy and power. And once we get it up, we put the posts in, cut them down to size, and pour the concrete. This pergola project here in Northridge is complete. We're just waiting for the concrete to dry before we take out all these supports because the concrete is still a little fresh. Even though we used fast setting concrete, we wanted to have it settle, dry up before we take them out so it doesn't settle in and shift everything around. Everything else looks beautiful. You can see the detail here. Everything is perfect. We will see you on the next beautiful installation from Mulholland Brand.